protect your rental properties inside of an LLC. So we're going to talk about if someone sues you as an individual or if you have tenant lawsuits coming after the property. Your LLC does not have asset protection from you as an individual. So if you have a lawsuit coming after you or creditors coming after you, they can access the LLC membership held in your personal name, and therefore they can access the rental properties inside of an LLC. The way that you would have asset protection for the LLC from you as an individual is to set up you can set up an irrevocable trust, put the LLC membership inside of the irrevocable trust, and it would fully separate the LLC from you as an individual and your estate, giving it asset protection from any of your creditors or lawsuits. Now, what about tenant lawsuits? If you have multiple rental properties and you have a tenant coming after one of your properties and all of your properties are inside of a single LLC, that tenant lawsuit is going after the owner of that rental property, which would be the LLC, and they're going after all of the assets that owner holds, which would be your entire rental portfolio. And so the way that you can have asset protection for the rental property from tenant lawsuits is to fully separate those rental properties out into separate LLCs. And so that way you are isolating the lawsuit from the tenant to the single LLC that holds that single rental property. And therefore your other properties in the other separate LLCs have asset protection from that one tenant lawsuit. People will say it really depends on how much equity you have, but you have to weigh the risk. Do you want to have to sell that property or lose it to pay off that lawsuit? Up to you. If you want help setting any of this up, click the link in the bio, fill out the form, and schedule a time to talk to some on our team.